this desk. It's great. Oh, okay. Good evening. I am finishing up my work. Caleb is bringing home dinner pretty soon, and then I am going to either try to write some songs or make the band background for my best friend's bachelorette party. I have the idea to do like a streamer wall. I've seen a bunch of pictures of that, and I really want to put together my own. Not just like one that goes straight down. I'm gonna explain this badly, but like there's like overlapping bunches of streamers, so it looks really cool. It looks really like full and colorful, and so I'm really excited about that. We'll hopefully do a combo of those two things. I want to set aside more time to be creative this year, and so a large part of that is me locking myself in a room to make sure that I have space and time to be creative, namely writing songs. This is probably something that no one knows about me, but I am a musician, and I have endeavored to finish writing my second album this year. So that's a big undertaking for me because I'm very bad at finishing songs and I suck at it so much. So I'm going to work on that tonight, but also some of the bachelorette party prep because that is this next weekend and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna just get all that together, and that is my night. So it's shaping up to look like. So. Okay, I am done for the night because this is not taking that long. It's only been like an hour, but I'm really tired all of a sudden. And so I've gone through about half of the streamers. I might have to buy more, I can't really tell, but I'm going to call it a night, and then I'm going to finish this a little later. But I kind of have like the vibe down. Like it's working as well as it could. I'm gonna like seal off the top with probably like flat pieces, but it's overlapping in like it's hard to tell, it's not hanging up or anything, but it's overlapping in like a pretty cool way. Like it looks pretty good. So basically halfway done-ish, and I will pick it back up tomorrow. Oh no. All I've done is work the last 3 days. So it's Thursday and it's gonna be more of a weekend vlog, but that's okay. And tonight I'm gonna finish the garland wall. I'm gonna try and finish the garland wall, I'm very determined. And then just get all the rest of the stuff together for the party. If you hear crunching, as usual, it is my cat eating. So I had a few like sporadic meetings this morning and I didn't really feel like I was super in the zone. So I'm gonna try and be really head down this afternoon and just like turn on some lo-fi, get a lot of work done, and eat my lunch, which is spaghetti or pasta. This is not spaghetti. Some sort of pasta with meat sauce. Can't remember what the pasta's called. Lunch, and I'm gonna just work on stuff this afternoon and really dig in, and then I will be done for the week. I feel spent, and there is literally no good reason. This monstrosity that I've done to myself. Okay. It's actually, I think it's going to turn out pretty well. And I also found some like supplementary long streamer backdrops that I can put under it. So overall, I think it's going to work out. Good morning. It is Friday. It is snowing. It's just flurrying, nothing like inhibiting to my day or our day or anything like that. So that's nice. But it is flurrying. It's like a nice romantic flurry, and I'm gonna just gotten ready. I need to pack. I need to run a couple errands. I need to load up my car with everything. Technically just 3 things, but there's like all these little things. So I'm gonna start doing that. Trying to decide the order in which I should do things. I think I'm gonna pack, so like everything possible is packed up, and then I'm gonna go run errands, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna load up my car. And by that time I should have a little bit of time. I'm also gonna get coffee and stuff in there as well, of course. Gershwin is losing his mind today. Nope. Is it because it's snowing? Are you excited for the snow? So yeah, that's the plan. We are going to get all this stuff done. I realized that my grocery order is supposed to be picked up by 12. Because I scheduled it earlier in the morning, because I think in my head, that was the one aspect I forgot about. I think in my head I was like, I'll go out early and do the errands, and I'll come back and pack everything up. forgot there was a time limit. I don't know if it's a limit. I don't know if they put everything back or if it's just a recommendation, but I don't want to like find out. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to drop everything off at the Airbnb because it's not too far from my house, and then go to pick up donuts. In other news, I know I'm going to get coffee right now, basically, but we are going to this Italian restaurant tonight, and it is so good. But also, they make mocha pot coffee, which is what I make at home, but they have this house-made whipped cream with it that is insanely good. Thinking about it all week because I planned it for dinner for the party because it's a good place to go, but also because it gives me an excuse to get that coffee, and I've literally been thinking about it all week because I'm so excited to get it. I can't describe. It's just like the best, like just plain coffee I've ever had. I don't know why. It's so good. I am at the Airbnb. It is so cold from the wind, but I'm about to unload as much as I can from my car, so that's what's happening. morning. It is Monday morning. I did not have a lot of time to vlog yesterday. I was kind of just regrouping and putting stuff away and getting out of the Airbnb and all that stuff. So it's a very stormy day, or stormy looking day. Is it supposed to rain today? It's not really supposed to rain until tonight. There's a 30% chance in like an hour, but other than that, it's not supposed to rain until like 6 tonight. So we'll see. It's very cloudy, very dreary. So hopefully it's not gonna be too miserable and moody, and hopefully I can get a lot of work done. So I will end this here and I will see you next time. Oh no, we're not. We'll end this here and I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. And subscribe if you like it. Yeah.